Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
The Xiaomi Redmi K100 Pro Max is a flagship gaming phone officially launched just yesterday. But Xiaomi isn't treating it like just another smartphone. This time, it also comes with Bose speakers and headphones. And while we've seen plenty of audio partnerships before, Bose is a genuine industry benchmark. This phone even features Bose tuning. So, let's get straight into the unboxing. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Inside the box is a slim, deep cardboard package, a 100-watt charger rated at 20 volts and 5 amps, plus Xiaomi's orange 6A charging cable. The cable is 99 centimeters long. Now let's check out the star of the show. The phone is huge, with a massive 6.9-inch flagship display. A screen protector is already applied, along with a centered punch-hole camera. Around the sides, there's a frosted metal frame. It curves more toward the rear and less toward the front. Despite the flat design, it feels surprisingly comfortable to hold. And check out those antenna lines. 2 on one side, 2 on the other, and 2 across the top. The layout is perfectly symmetrical. For anyone with OCD, this is incredibly satisfying. Since audio is a major highlight, the speaker setup gets special attention. There are speakers built into the frame, plus another pair placed symmetrically at the bottom. Now let's flip the phone over and check the rear. This is where things get interesting. The blue finish instantly grabs attention. Xiaomi calls it Wind Chaser Blue. The black and white design is made much more striking by the blue. What do you think of it? The rear also has a distinctive texture that does a great job resisting fingerprints. At the top is the camera module with 5 circular elements and 4 openings, 3 of which are optical components. Below them are the periscope lens and main camera with noticeably large apertures. But the real standout is the Bose speaker built directly into the rear. Combined with Bose tuning, this setup was already impressive on the previous generation, so I'm really curious to see how this one performs. Because of the periscope system, the camera module sticks out slightly. Still, the design looks well controlled. The continuous camera deck design also has a practical benefit. When placed on a table, it helps prevent the rear panel from flexing or warping. Of course, this is a full-size flagship gaming phone, so it's not lightweight. You can definitely feel the weight, but that strong metal construction also makes it feel extremely premium and solid. Compared with the previous generation, the design has changed quite a bit. The older model had more of a vegan leather texture, while this generation looks much more rugged and aggressive. Which design do you prefer? Let me know below. Now let's turn on the display. There's a special wallpaper theme here, and the light background makes the phone's proportions and aspect ratio easier to see. Since the body is so large, let's check the biometric unlocking options, starting with the fingerprint scanner. The phone uses an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. During registration, place your finger here, press and hold without lifting it, then rotate it. See how your finger moves toward the upper area? Just rotate it around like this. It makes registration feel much more natural. For unlocking, the sensor sits around the middle, so you don't need to bend your finger downward. Your finger naturally lands in position, making unlocking very easy. And there we go, the phone is unlocked. Next, let's register facial recognition. This is 2D facial recognition. Once registration is finished, we can turn it on and test it. And there we go. The phone instantly recognizes the face and takes us straight into the system. Now let's check the screen pixel arrangement. One huge highlight is the incredible 185 Hz refresh rate. It can also be adjusted depending on the usage scenario. Moving to performance, the Redmi K100 Pro Max uses the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Redmi also adds a dedicated graphics chip. Combined with the 185Hz display, FPS gaming feels noticeably smoother. Even under heavy gaming, the frame rate stayed very stable after around 30 minutes. And the temperature results are impressive too. The front reached just 37 degrees Celsius, while the rear peaked at 36.4 degrees Celsius. Next, let's check the golden time test. After 30 minutes indoors at room temperature, we also tested charging. From empty to 100%, the phone took about 1 hour. Now, battery life. We continuously played a 4K online video with subtitles from 100% until shutdown. The Redmi K100 Pro Max lasted an impressive 20 hours and 30 minutes. The charging package is also comprehensive. You get 100-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, plus wireless and wired reverse charging. Now for the price. The Xiaomi Redmi K100 Pro Max starts at 4,499 yuan in China, around £494 in the UK, or $667 in the US. Of course, audio is another major focus. This is the Redmi Flagship Pro Max model, bringing top-level specs across the board. You get the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 super pixel technology and an ultra-high-resolution display. But the biggest surprise is the audio system, because no matter how good software tuning becomes, it can't fully replace powerful hardware. So this is the new Redmi Flagship. Want to see more tests and a deeper look at everything it can do? Subscribe and join our tech team. A full in-depth review is coming very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!